2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.